Hello everyone, Axel here. Today I'm back with another unboxing, and as you can see today I will be unboxing Chaeyeon's first season's greetings, 4 seasons Atelier. I don't know if you're supposed to pronounce it differently. Really cute concept. I did pre-order this from the the WM store, so I got this really cute pre-order card. It's a bit bent because it was above the thing, but yeah. And this is what the box looks like. It looks like a little like a painter's case, you know, to carry their paints and brushes, and it's kind of the concept for the season's greetings. So yeah, really cute. I'm really excited to see everything. Stunning. So I'm going to take everything out and then we'll go through everything. Yeah, the box is empty now. That's very obviously the calendar. We'll look at that right after. It comes with this, it's a key ring, yeah. I'm going to get it out. It's, you know, the kind of key rings that are a bit like stuff and a bit squishy. So her picture here. Oh yeah, 00111, happy birthday, that's a birth date, which is really funny, like 00011. It was a birthday, yeah, not that long ago. And didn't the merch, birthday merch isn't it already out for pre-order? I think I forgot to buy that. Well, I look at that after this LMAO. And then what do we have? That's a postcard set with a little like frame for everything. We'll look at this later. Those are photo cards. And I think those are photo cards too. Oh, this is like a garland. Maybe this one is a photo book. And you see, yeah, it looks like a painter's like sketchbook. Maybe this is diary. It's a bit thicker. That must be the poster. I never really know in what order to do things for season's greeting. We'll do the small things that aren't photo cards, then the big things, then the photo cards in the end. A really cute poster. I love this picture. I think it was used as one of the teasers pictures. Really cute. I want to take a look at this. Because okay, this is like a birthday card, I guess. And yeah, I feel like I'm going to say this every time I open a season's greetings, but every season's greetings has like one weird, very random inclusion. I feel like this is it. So we get little teasers for the concepts. The bags are really cute too. Look at her go! I really love the concept idea. I feel like a lot of people expected a very different image for Chaeyeon for her debut and like for what she will put out later. And a while ago I read someone saying that because she was kind of like the chunga of Produce 48, everybody expected her to have a chunga concept, when in truth something more like, yeah, more intense like chunga has. But in truth it's maybe not what fits her the most. The very cute side of Hush Rush really fit her, so yeah, I think that's what matters the most. We're going to look at these things. We'll start with that. Chaeyeon did announce on the day of her birthday, if I remember correctly, her fandom name, and it's Chaerish, and it's so cute, such a sweet idea. I love it. Yeah, it's a photo book. So I guess that's spring. Or summer. Oh no! The little... Not the cat. Not the cat whiskers. Oh, so cute. That's autumn, definitely. Like, autumny colors. Stunning. And maybe that this more winter. Okay. Very sweet. And once again, I like how it's like styled like a notebook. And yeah, that's the diary. So front and back is pretty simple. I may use it actually. I want to use a diary this year, and either this one or the one in my next Chaeyeon day. This one or my other season's greetings, which is for nose. Really cute. It's the kind of concept I kind of wish it was in albums, you know. Really cute. I really love the pigtails. Are those pigtails? I don't remember. Yeah, I really want to use it. Stunning. Yeah. Now the weather. The calendar, so it's a horizontal one. Okay, this side has the little pictures, but yeah, let's go through everything. Yeah, there's a lot of dates written. So on this side, the days on the small pictures, and you can kind of write things on there. I don't write things on calendars, but yeah. And December, January. cute. Last page is just blank. January. Oh, I can't wait to put this up in my room. December, November. Oh, okay, it's the other way around. So that's for next year's January actually. November, October. She's turning. I think this is my favorite concept after all. In a little studio, you know. And okay, this is the current picture. Sorry if the end of my sentence got cut off back there. My phone ran out of storage. So yeah, for me it's been like half an hour when I waited for everything to export because I had a lot of clips on my phone. Not half an hour, more like 15 minutes. Sorry. We've got this postcard set. One good thing is that the weather is even better now. But now it's later in the day, so it's not as sunny as it could be, I guess. Yeah, so this is a little standee for postcards. I've got, I don't remember how you say it in English, but you know, pin and needles in my legs because I was sitting weird. The postcards. Really I really observe the photo card with her with the whiskers. I want one so bad. Oh, this one is really cute too. So then we've got those two envelopes. I feel like they're photo cards. Yeah, definitely. A first set and another set, but it's just 4 cards. Oh, so in the white envelope there were these 4 cards, and if you look at the back it says the season, which is why it's one. It's just 4, you know. And there's a QR code at the bottom. Maybe I should hide that. I don't know what it does, but well, I won't show the others. So this is winter, fall. Okay. So this is spring, summer, fall. Yeah, I was right. That's a very fall concept. And winter with a beret. Really cute. Now every time I say winter related to K-pop, I think about the S-Bag girl. And then we've got this set. She has little messages written on the backs. We start with this card. Really cute. I love this card. Really cute. The orange. I'm really happy. And the pre-order card is this set. Very cute. So that's it for this unboxing. Yeah, I really like the concept, and I'm really excited for her first comeback and to see what she would do next year. I mentioned it when I unboxed Hush Rush, but I'm so glad she finally made her debut. And yeah, thank you a lot for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!